Hey, what's going on, guys? I just received my Zoom H2N, but before I do the full review, I thought I'd put out a few audio samples for you guys to listen to. Now before that, just a really quick overview of the mic. Around front you have the screen and the record button. Very basic, really useful, alright. On the side you have your gain adjustment and all of your other controls. Around back you have the battery door, not much else. And on the other side you have your input and output. Up top you have your pattern selector, and on the bottom you have your SD card slot and mounting threads. My voice here was recorded in post, but this is an ambient audio test outside, 2-channel surround without a windscreen. This is the same test, but using my Nikon D3300's built-in microphone for comparison. This is a test of the 4-channel surround with no windscreen, just ambient audio. Once again, same test, but using my camera's internal microphone for comparison. And lastly, for the ambient audio tests, we have another 2-channel surround, ambient audio, and this time with a windscreen to help with some of the wind noise. This is a test outside at maximum gain. No windscreen. It is still a bit windy. I'm underneath a metal building, so it might cause it to echo. I'm interested to see how it actually turns out. Hopefully it does good. I am behind a camera, so I don't know how well it will actually pick me up, but we will see. Alright guys, here's one more test. We're at maximum gain. We're not under anything that should create an echo. I should be pretty clear. There's a lot of background noise from the birds. They're actually really loud, so they should show up on the recording. But don't worry about that. They are actually really loud in real life here. They're louder than normal, I think. I don't know. It's weird. But, yeah, hopefully these turn out good. I don't know. I have the gain set to maximum, which is probably too high. It's not clipping, I know that, but it may have been better to set it lower. But this is just a test, and you'll get more in the real review later. So, thank you for watching, and hopefully it helped.